I'm Michelle Merritt with Merritt Realty Group, and
I'm Dawn Robbins with Lone Star Home Lending.
we recently snuck around the neighborhood. Actually, Dawn snuck around the neighborhood, her and her team, and dropped off these great little coloring contest entries. And we had a great turnout and so much fun. This is the cute little winner that won the 5 and under category. She's 4 years old, little Miss Catherine, and the prize.
Oh my gosh, you will be so excited to see this. So this nice little Jeep, it's got all kinds of MP3.
It's stinking fancy,
it's
right?
Awesome.
Yeah, it's fancy. She knows she won, but she doesn't know what she won. So stick around and come see her expression. Wow, he's serious about this. He is really hiding it. Hi, I'm Michelle Merritt with Merritt Realty Group.
And I'm Jason Merritt.
And Catherine is our winner. They're just getting their rain jacket on to come out and see the prize. So here we go. Catherine is 4 years old. She's our contest winner from the 5 and under group category. And she knows she won, but she doesn't know what she won. Hello! Hi!
Hi,
My name
guys.
is Michelle, and we're looking for Catherine. Who's Catherine? Who's Catherine? Are you Catherine? No. You're Catherine? Okay, well, do you recognize this? Yeah. You do? You know what? We had a whole bunch of people voting, and we picked yours as our winner. Thank you so much for submitting your coloring. What's your favorite part? The purple? You know, one of my favorite parts is that you wrote your name so nicely. I felt like you tried really hard. Did you work really hard on your coloring? You did. Okay, are you ready for your surprise? Yeah. Okay. Want to walk out here? A new car! On that show. Whoa.
Is that a surprise?
It's a surprise. Let me in.
You would first.
Do you want to try it?
Because with you watch, you can maybe try it later on.
So it's on
Do you
a
wanna put your
remote,
belt on
so
You know how to clip it?
your
Oh, so
parents can
she-
operate it,
can
or
she?
you can operate it yourself.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
And this guy built it. Well, not exactly.
Some assembly
But
required.
man, it took a lot more putting together than we had anticipated.
Whoa.
Are you ready?
Hold on to the wheel.
Whoa!